we're back with another Vlogmas. I love it. Bear with me because all of this is in real time. So I am maybe about a day and a half behind, but I'm gonna catch up because I have this exciting vlog ahead of us. Is creating cookies. It's actually something I thoroughly enjoy doing. Is baking. I'm not the best at it, but I don't mind mixing and then throwing it in the oven. But today's cookies is gonna be a house cookie. So I found this on Bamboo Studio Market. Someone created this cookie cutter, and I really enjoyed this make because I realized it's a cookie cutter itself, and then once you cut the cookie out, you're gonna take this stamp, and it's like impression, and as you can see, it's a house, and you just impress it on the cookie, and then you bake it. And then it got me thinking. I was like, seeing how they created it and how it's done, because I've always wondered how you make a cookie look like so realistic. We're gonna actually take this inspiration and actually convert a house that I'm designing and one day build, is turn that into a cookie stencil stamp as well. So it's going to be the elevation of the house that I'm working on. It's a 1 bed, 1 bath, and I just think it's going to be pretty cool to actually not only one day build my design, but actually eat it as a cookie. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna actually sketch this out and put it on paper, and then make our way to bring it to life. So basically, the home is pretty much a rectangle, but we're gonna focus on the elevation of the home of making the cookie. So as you can see, it's mainly a glass storefront on the one side of the home. Actually, I did that wrong. Let me try this one more time. Okay, we have the storefront. Not really a storefront, but it's where the glass is. Then we have like I believe 3 window bays. It might be 4. I'm going off of memory here. I think it's 4 window bays. And then we have the back window that takes you to the, not take you, but you see into the 1 bedroom. And then we have the roof, and I'm not sure if I want to pull out this detail, but the window siding, the wood siding that comes across the home, I think that would be a nice detail to pull out onto the cookie. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that, but as you can see, this is pretty much the home. And then this is a hatching to show that it's glass. It's this little 3 ticket kind of show reflection. So this is the elevation. And then what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take the cookie stencil, which is basically going to be an outline of the cookie. So we're gonna have the cookie cutter, as you can see, like on this screen, the cookie cutter, and then everything on the inside will be the actual stencil. So I keep saying stencil, but I believe the correct term is actually a stamp. So we're just gonna say this pretty much is the stamp. And I'll quickly sketch this out. Not perfect, just to show what it is. And then we have a tilt and turn window on the side. And that's wood siding. And then this part would be our cookie stamp. So let's get into it. So it all printed. So this is the original cookie house. And this is the stamp and this is cookie cutter. So we're gonna cookie cut and then put the stamp in it like that. Now I printed two. The first one, this is the first one. I didn't think the impression would be deep enough. So I actually made a second one and made the impression deeper. But I also thought about it that since you're longer, the cookie may get stuck in between. So we'll see between which cookie impression is good. And but I think this one will give a good indentation, and then this one, I think it will do the job, but I might have to press a little bit harder. But I also made an adjustment on the cookie cutter itself. So this one has a thicker roof line, and then I believe is this one that goes into this cookie cutter. Stamp it in there, and then this one, the roof line's a little tight, and I was trying to put it in and I actually snapped this side. But I think we're gonna cut first and then stamp second. So, but we got our pieces together, so let's make some cookies. So you're gonna need some snickerdoodles. You're gonna need 1 egg, and you're gonna need some melted butter, softened butter, nice and soft, right? And you're also gonna need 1 tablespoon of water. So this is what you're gonna need. We'll put our cookie dough, cookie mix in there. Softened butter. Woohoo! 1 egg. Now, let's get the mixing. Alright, a nice cookie dough mix here. Get a nice piece. So, for the first cookie. Let's do ginger house from Bamboo Lab. Put it on there. What? Yeah, time for the cookie impression. Alright. I never really done this, so hopefully I'm doing the steps right. For the big reveal. Not coming off. Oh man. Well, it was close. I'm gonna speed this process up. This is the cookie cutter attempt of the actual design I made within ArchieCAD, and then shoot it to the Bamboo Lab print. And I'm realizing, deeply realizing, that I think this step is supposed to happen after the cookie is cooked. I am just mind blown that I kept going through this to see if it got any better, but it honestly got worse. So bear with me. But I'm actually, the 3D print itself, it printed nicely. I just think, had I waited and did it, just use the cookie cutter, like the outline, and just actually cut the cookie piece, and then put it on the cookies tray to cook. And then when it finally finished cooking, take this thing up and press it in that way. But I'm learning, guys. This is a whole new territory for me, to make cookie look like something else. So enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, and we're back. The cookies had finished cooking, and some of you who are cookie expert probably had a feeling that the cookies are too close. So it's official. Here's the big reveal. I have officially made a cookie platter pie. And it's not bad. It's really not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. So this cookie here was our attempted cookie of a cookie house, and then all these they started to cook, and they became one. So hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. And then I realized, I don't recall when I was supposed to add the brown sugar on top. I feel like I was supposed to put it on before it went in the oven, But we're gonna put it on now. And hey, I tried, but my cookie cutter, I would say it was a success. 3D printing wise. But as far as converting it into an actual cookie, I need a little bit. I need to figure out my cookie mix. I really do believe I have put too much water. And then after talking with my dad, he was like, "You forgot flour." I was like, "It didn't say that on the box." And I still think it was a success. It wasn't. But hey, I am actually proud of this attempt of making cookies. And now I'm just, I don't even know if I want to show you this, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. We are putting the snickerdoodle seasoning, and I'm realizing either I was supposed to mix this in or put this on top as it was cooking. But this is a lot of sugar. And I really do believe I was supposed to mix this in. Oh man, this is... It's getting worse. Oh man, it's not getting any better. I don't even think I want to put icing on this. I was supposed to mix this in. This is not... I thought this was topping. Honestly, I honestly thought this packet was topping. Like ramen noodles, you know? You get a seasoning pack. You can do it before, after, or even during. But I made a cookie! No, that's good. That was really good. I did that. I made a cookie platter. Thank you for watching my vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one. You guys take care.